Hi, and welcome back. This is Rob Thomas, your Everything Microsoft Cloud Architect. And today we're going to jump into a very confusing product that is amazing. And once I start to shed more light around it, I think you're going to find it to be very valuable. And that is Microsoft Dynamics. What is Microsoft Dynamics? What is D365? What is Dynamics 365? You'll hear these buzzwords, these terminology, and they're really confusing to understand like what this is and how you can use it and how you can get some value out of it. So I really want to put a spotlight on that and really get some more insight and share that with you today. Now, without further ado, let's give a shout out to our sponsor, and that's going to be the Software Dudes, the Enterprise Software Solution. These guys are great. If you have your Microsoft SQL Server, Windows Server, SharePoint, Azure, Copilot, Power BI, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and Microsoft 365 needs. These guys are great. You can see their customers. I'm a customer. I'm a partner. I love these guys. When you come to their website right here, you definitely want to go to the top right, schedule a meeting, and schedule some time with them. And feel free to hit them with your hardest, challenging questions. They are here to help you and make you super successful. All right, so let's jump into Dynamics. Now, most people think that Dynamics 365 is just a simple CRM. A great place to track sales leads, right? But it's bigger than that. I mean, Dynamics 365 is actually an all-in-one business solution and a complete enterprise resource planning system. So before we track our first lead, let's understand this powerful platform has amazing capabilities and a lot of different modules, and it could really take your company to the next level, right? Now, knowing this is the key to maximize your entire Microsoft investment. So Microsoft 365 is a unified platform that integrates many business functions that are already in Microsoft 365. This is a great example here. I wanted to show you all of the Dynamics 365 products. I'm quickly going to explain this. So this is the Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales. A lot of times people use a buzzword like D365, and they're referring to this. You don't really hear them say 365 service, right? But it's really Dynamics 365 customer service. And the sales version competes against some of the biggest CRM tools out there that are in the world. And this and another product are the two best, according to Gartner's and Forrester's. So you can see, I'm going to jump into showing you Dynamics right here at 365 Live and seeing how you can just very quickly get the value out of it. You're also going to get other tools, and that's very important. That's going to be service, the service side, which is Dynamics 365 customer service, Dynamics 365 contact center, Dynamics 365 field service. Like these service products are really powerful to enable you to manage your customers' tickets and cases and really interact with your customers, right? Capture them, work with them, and it competes against the biggest service products out there in the industry. You also have Dynamics 365 Customer Insight. This right here is a little confusing because Customer Insight doesn't really reveal that this product actually competes against Marketo, Oracle Eloqua. This is marketing automation tools that are out there. HubSpot, right? This product is powerful and it competes against them. And Dynamics 365 Commerce Cloud, Dynamics 365 Finance, Dynamics 365 Business Central. Now, these two products are ERP finance products. This one competes against the Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP system and then the SAP S/4HANA ERP system, right? Juggernauts, enterprise companies doing like $1 billion in revenue, like this bad boy goes in and it's strong. Even if you're doing 500 million in revenue, you're going to use an enterprise solution like this. Now, if you want something that's more of a strip down, it's more smaller and nimble, that's going to be the Dynamics 365 Business Central. This one competes against the Oracle NetSuite out there or Intuit's QuickBooks ERP system, which not a lot of people know because they're using the basic version of QuickBooks, but QuickBooks does have an ERP system, right? And this competes against it. Now, this blows it out of the water, right? And it goes up against its biggest competitor, and that's going to be Oracle NetSuite. Two really great products, right? And I'll give my little plug how this thing has a bit of an advantage. And then you're going to have the supply chain management tool and then human resources and then project operation. So that gives you a look at the scale about all the products that are out there. Now, Dynamics 365 Sales is designed to empower, right, yours and our team to build a stronger customer relationship. It drives action through insight and accelerate deals closure, right? So it basically helps us accelerate the closing of deals. That's why it's so powerful with this product. I mean, we use it to efficiently track accounts, contacts, nurture the entire sales cycle from lead straight to order, which is lead to cash, and generate sales collateral. It also enables the creation of marketing lists and campaigns, and it allows us to follow up on service cases tied to specific accounts or opportunities. Now, this platform gives us a complete view of our entire sales capability, and it does one thing that other competitors cannot do, and that it integrates seamlessly with tools like Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and SharePoint. No other product out there has a seamless integration than this one when it comes to Microsoft products, because Microsoft makes those three products. Microsoft also has all these products, and it knows how to seamlessly integrate across all this product stack. Now, let's talk about the brain of Dynamics 365, the Common Data Services, which is CDS. Now, I know that sounds fancy and intimidating, but all it means is that all of your customer sales inventory data is centralized and stored in one structured place. Now, think of it as a single, perfectly organized brain shared by your entire company. I mean, this is huge. It means when a salesperson logs an interaction, the support team and the finance department immediately sees the same unified record. Even better, you can customize the data structure to fit your business needs. Now, I also want to touch on these three products: Power Automate, Power BI, Power Apps. Now, the final piece of Power comes from the seamless integration with the Power Platform. This gives you three amazing tools, just as I mentioned: Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI. These things are just powerful, right? And you can see here, this is the Power Platform Admin Center, where you're able to just really control like a lot of, you can see here, I can control a lot of my whole customer service, which I touched on here. Like, I control these three infrastructures on that one powerful Power Platform Admin Center here. So Dynamics 365 isn't just a CRM, it's a unified, scalable ERP system built on secure common data services. And it's supercharged by the Power Platform. Now that we know what it is, we can focus on its primary strength, and that is sales. So in the future video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this in a lot more detail. Kind of cover all these items, leads, opportunities, contacts, and I'll walk you through. I might even go in the background and kind of show you like how you can tweak it and get this bad boy to integrate with a lot of other tools out there that are outside the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, your action for today is to click the link below and sign up for a 30-day free trial of Dynamics 365 Sales. Now, go here to this link. And when I say click the link below, it's going to be this link, like try the free right here. So you could type that in the search at the time of the recording, or you could just do a search on Dynamics 365 free trial, and then you'll just find a page, this page, or an updated version of this page, and then just click that try for free, and just go ahead and get started. Now, I want you to comment in the comments below that you were able to go here. Tell me about your experience. Like, what was it like when you went in and you just signed up? Like, was it easy? Was it challenging? Did you run into some challenges? And then when you got it set up, and you started poking around and just looking at it, tell me about your experience. Now, if this video helped you understand the bigger picture of Dynamics 365, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe for more workflow guides. Thanks so much, and see you in the next one.